respected teachers, my fellow pupils, our guests, and all the members around the house. Standing before you is Yasmin Abshir Ali from the 8th grade, and I am the MC of today's graduation ceremony. I'll be working hand in hand with my partner, my co-MC. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ilyas Abdulaziz. I am from grade 6 class. I will be the MC of today's graduation ceremony.
Our program follows like this today. Number 1 is opening. May you take us through the opening?
Thank you very much. The opening will be Quran recitation by Muhammad Hassan Ahmed. It will be Hadith recitation by Ayan Muhammad Noor, and the national anthem will be sung and led by the scouts.
And then second, we will come and speak from the school manager, which is Mr. Abdullah Ahmed, also known as Mr. Gaite. And then we will be having presentation of different items. May you take us through the different items you're going to have today?
Thank you again. The items will be number 1, welcoming song from grade 6 class. Number 2, spelling games from pre-primary 1. Number 3, a poem from grade 3. Number 4, a Kiswahili poem from grade 5A. Number 5, a song and a poem from grade 4. Number 6, a song from pre-primary 2. Number 7, the debate. Number 8, a traditional song and poems from grade 8. Number 9, a conversation and still art from special class A. Number 10, puzzles from special senior class. Number 11, a poem from special class B. Number 12, a poem from grade 5B. Number 13, a play from grade 6. Number 14, a song from grade 2. Number 15, a conversation from special class C. Number 15, family members grade 1. Thank you.
After that, we're going to have awarding prizes to debate winners. Then we're going to have awarding prizes to graduates. Those are grade 1, grade 2, grade 5A, grade 4, grade 5B, special class B, senior, and the candidates who did the exam. Then we're going to have awarding prizes to school staff. Then we come to speeches. A speech from the outgoing grade 8 candidates 2021. Then lastly, we're going to have a speech from the parent representative. And lastly, closure by the school director, Mr. Yusuf Sheikh Ahmed. Without wasting much of our time, I would like to invite Muhammad Hassan Ahmed on the stage for Quran recitation.
As Muhammad Hassan is coming, I would like to request the head teacher, Mr. Ibrahim, to stand up for recognition. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم أمن هو قانت آناء الليل ساجدا وقائما يحذر الآخرة ويرجو رحمة ربه قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون إنما يتذكر أولو الألباب بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم صدق اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم صدق الله العظيم. Wonderful. Thank you very much. MashaAllah. Now I would like to call Hadith recitation for Ayan Muhammad Noor. You are highly welcome.
عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم ومن سلك طريقا يلتزم فيه إليه علما في طريقا في الجنة. The message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, The messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says,
Thank you very much. The messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that the person who goes to a road for knowledge Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make it easy for that person for a way to go to Jannah.
So, co-MC, what are we going to have next? National anthem?
Yes, you are right. We are going to have the national anthem, and it's going to be led us by the scouts. You are highly welcome.
One, two, three.
You may have your seats now. Now we are going to presentations. I hope grade 6 are ready.
Now I would like to call the welcoming speech from Mr. Abdullah. You are highly welcome.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. وقتي قادو ير واحد بدنا نشجع مرة كلي أنا حفلة فرنتا أنا نشجع ربا ومرتدى كسوق يبقى شيء وأنا وجهي وقتي جاي صهورين يو صحافة يو والدك ضد أو مرتي أيجان أو برامج كالوعز وميات شوغان قف كستا منصب كيسي مجلس يكون سلامينا هداينو نهاي بعض الرويال وحنكسو دوينينا سينيت فرن وقت وقابلنا ودينا بدي مرة ولكن هلا الرمارة إنك كتجو والدين تقلبت عادي وتشيل بديهين وحرجينا إن إذا قلبت كليه كوي كانين مرة بالنصاب وقتان سيد عاد ماشى مسوي بحسين سكول كوت مادان وما تنتي حفلتنا وين أفرنت.
Thank you very much, Mr. Abdullah.
So now we are going to have a welcoming song from grade 6. Let's join hands and clap for them as they are coming.
As G6 are coming, I would like to request the deputy head teacher, Teacher Evans, to stand for recognition. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ilyas Abdaziz. I am from grade 6 class. As we are grade 6, we are here to present the welcoming song. It's excellent to see you all.
It's excellent to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen. It's excellent to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen. It's excellent to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen. It's excellent to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen.
dear parent,
you are welcome.
on this occasion,
Settle down and feel at home.
our dear parent,
You are welcome.
on this occasion,
Settle down and feel at home.
ha ha ha.
Excellency to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen. It's excellency to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen.
Our dear managers,
You are welcome.
on this occasion,
Settle down and feel at home.
our dear managers,
You are welcome.
on this occasion,
Settle down and feel at home.
ah ha ha. It's excellent.
Excellency to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen. It's excellency to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen.
Our dear teachers,
You are welcome.
on this occasion,
Settle down and feel at home.
our dear teachers,
You are welcome.
on this occasion,
Settle down and feel at home.
ah ha ha.
Excellency to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen. It's excellency to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen. It's
Our fellow pupils,
welcome.
on this occasion,
Settle down and feel at home.
our fellow pupils,
Welcome.
on this occasion,
Settle down and feel at home.
ha ha ha.
It's excellency to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen. It's excellency to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen. Our dear head teacher, on this occasion, settle down and feel at home. Our dear head teacher, on this occasion, settle down and feel at home. Ha ha ha. It's excellency to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen. It's excellency to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen.
Visitors from Banaadir,
You are welcome.
on this occasion,
Settle down and feel at home.
visitors from Banaadir,
You are welcome.
on this occasion,
Settle down and feel at home.
ha ha ha.
It's excellency to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen. It's excellency to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen.
Visitors from HODAN,
You are welcome.
on this occasion,
Settle down and feel at home.
visitors from HODAN,
You are welcome.
on this occasion,
Settle down and feel at home.
ha ha ha. It's
Excellency to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen. It's excellency to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen. It is excellency to see you all, our ladies and gentlemen.
Let us join hands and clap for our young children as they are coming.
I will request Teacher Moses to stand for recognition. He is the class teacher of grade 6 and he is the SST teacher of Royal Muslim Primary School.
My name is Armaan Halls. I am in baby one. We are going to space. My name is Armaan Halls. I am in baby one. We are going to space. Asma, what is cat? In Somali, nyanyu, speaker. Sound ka, sound a, sound ti, dawat iska. Good luck. Adisku.
Somali, mango. Spell mango.
Saun 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 Tawad mango.
Good. Sutaina, what's this?
Fish.
In Somali,
Halai.
spell fish.
Sahun 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 now what is fish?
Good God. Mice, what's this?
Duck.
In Somali, in Somali,
Hadid.
spell star.
Sound 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 Tawad is star.
Good boy. Ragi, what's this?
Bag.
In Somali,
Basa.
spell bag.
Sound 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 the one is bag.
Good boy. Pushro, what's this?
Moon.
In Somali,
Pin.
spell moon.
Sound 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 Tawa is moon.
Good boy. Mustaq, what's this?
Car.
In Somali,
Babur.
spell car.
Sound ka sound sound Tawad is ka.
Good boy. Damada, what's this?
Egi.
In Somali,
Ukun.
spell eggy.
Sound sound Nawad is Egi.
Good boy. Bayan, what's this?
Banana.
In Somali,
Moss.
spell banana.
Sound bu sound 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 Tawad is banana.
Good boy. Amira, what's this?
Apple.
In Somali,
Tufah.
spell apple.
Sound sound bu sound 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 Nawad is apple.
Good boy.
We are going to have a poem from grade 3. You're highly welcome. The Secretary of Royal Muslim Primary School, Teacher Samia, to stand for recognition and wave to the audience. Plus Teacher Nuwameni Patrick, the class teacher of Senior Special Class, to stand for recognition.
You stay alert always just for us. You make us as wise as an owl. We browse, download, and delete. We embrace technology. Our tablet. We walk with you all over like a shadow. Log in research and log out. You feed us with information. We embrace technology. Technology. Learning through technology is fine. It helps us make use of time well. We are always learning something new. We embrace technology. Dear stakeholders in management, the parents, teachers, funders, and other leaders, let us come together and lift up technology.
Thank you, grade 3, for giving us that good information about technology. My co-MC, what are we going to have next?
We are going to have a Kiswahili poem from grade 5A. Let's join hands and clap for them as they are coming.
As grade 5A are coming, I would like to request Teacher Martin, the teacher for playgroup PP1, and Teacher Solanja, the class teacher of grade 1, to stand for recognition.
Elimu, shuleni wapatikana na kutujaza ujuzi, kila mtu anakutaji. Elimu ni dawa tamu na ujinga ni sumu. Watazame wote, si daktari, si mwalimu, si mhandisi, si rubani, si wakili, si hakimu, wote wampitia mkononi mwako. Elimu ni dawa tamu na ujinga ni sumu. Wanafunzi wenzangu, jikaseni masomoni, kalamu na vitabu chukueni, siku sijasa matafurahi. Elimu ni dawa tamu na ujinga ni sumu. Wazazi, patieni watoto mahitaji ya shule, waelimike wafaidike. Elimu ni dawa tamu na ujinga ni sumu. Asanteni. Elimu itakuzwa na vijana. Elimu itakuja na sisi wenyewe. Elimu itakuzwa na vijana. Elimu itakuzwa na sisi wenyewe. Upendo utaletwa na vijana. Upendo utaletwa na sisi wenyewe. Upendo utaletwa na vijana. Upendo utaletwa na sisi wenyewe. Umoja utaletwa na sisi wenyewe. Umoja utaletwa na sisi wenyewe. Umoja utaletwa na vijana. Umoja utaletwa na sisi wenyewe. Na sisi wenyewe, yeah. 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 Asanteni.
Thanks to grade 5A for their good performance. My co-MC, what are we going to have next?
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. The next one will be a song and a poem from grade 4.
Let's join hands and clap for them as they are coming.
I would like Teacher Brian, the class teacher of grade 2, to stand for recognition. Cover MC, I have heard that Royal Muslim, there are some people who have went for them Kenya and did KCPE. Is that one true?
Yes, true. Yes, it is true. They did the KCPE and they performed well.
How much did they get?
The girl was the first, she got 370, while the boy got 358.
Oh, now I understand why Royal Muslim is recognized all over Mogadishu.
Of course, Royal is the best.
Thank you. Grade 4 can start.
Without education, you cannot be a teacher. Education is important. Without education, you cannot be a
Education is education. Education. Education is important. Education is life. Education is important. Without education, you cannot be a pilot. A pilot flies an aeroplane. Education is important. Without education, you cannot be a teacher. A teacher teaches children at school. Education is important. Without education, you cannot be a teacher. A teacher teaches children at school. Education is the key to success. Wow! Education is important in our lives. Education is important in our lives. Education is important in our lives. Fellow gentlemen, let's get together to promote education. Fellow gentlemen, let's get together to promote education. In Somalia, education is important. In Galmudug, education is important. Fellow gentlemen, let's get together to promote education. Fellow gentlemen, let's get together to promote education. In Puntland, education is important. In the Southwest, education is important. Fellow gentlemen, let's get together to promote education. Fellow gentlemen, let's get together to promote education. In each land, education is important. In Isabelle, education is important. Fellow gentlemen, let's get together to promote education. Fellow gentlemen, let's get together to promote education. In Banaadir, education is important. In Somaliland, education is important. Fellow gentlemen, let's get together to promote education. Fellow gentlemen, let's get together to promote education. If we're not so, we are dying illiterate. If we're not so, we are dying illiterate. Fellow gentlemen,
let's get together to promote education. Oh, fellow gentlemen, let's get together to promote education. Oh, fellow gentlemen, let's get together to promote education. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Co-MC, can you please describe to us how they did?
It was actually like very, very amazing. It was marvelous. Thanks to the teacher who prepared them.
Wow, very nice. What are we going to have next? Can you please tell us?
Yes. Next we are going to have a song from pre-primary 2, the young kids. Let's join hands and call for them.
Thank you. As they are coming, I will request Teacher James, which is the class teacher of grade 3, and Teacher Patrick, the class teacher of grade 5B, to stand for recognition. Teacher James is the teacher of Kiswahili in Royal Muslim Primary School, while Teacher Patrick is the teacher of mathematics in Royal Muslim.
My co-MC, as this class is getting ready, can you say something about our head teacher, Mr. Ibrahim? What do you like about him?
Mr. Ibrahim is very humble, kind, and always nice. He always hides his anger and doesn't show it. That's how a good head teacher should be. And he has all those qualities. We thank you for helping us out every day and helping us how to become successful. Thank you, teacher.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aisha Muhammad Hassan. Before you are baby 2 learners, we are happy to be with you today. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? Our parents, how are you? Our visitors, how are you? Our teachers, how are you? How are you today? I am fine, I am fine, I am fine, I am great, I am fine, I am fine, I'm great today. I am happy, 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 I am happy to be with you today. If you're happy, Amina, say I am, I am. If you're happy, Amina, say I am, I am. If you're happy, Amina, Amini, what is your? If you're happy, Amina, say I am, I am. If you're happy, Amina, clap your hands, clap, clap. If you're happy, Amina, clap your hands, clap, clap. If you're happy, Amina, Amini, what is your? If you're happy, Amina, clap your hands, clap, clap. If you're happy, Amina, stamp your foot, foot, foot. If you're happy, Amina, stamp your foot, foot, foot. If you're happy, Amina, Amini, what is your? If you're happy, Amina, stamp your foot, foot, foot. If you're happy, Amina, wave, hey, hey. If you're happy, Amina, nod your head, hey, hey. If you're happy, Amina, Amini, what is your? If you're happy, Amina, nod your head, hey, hey. If you're happy, Amina, wave, 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 wave. If you're happy, Amina, wave, 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 wave. If you're happy, Amina, Amini, what is your? If you're happy, Amina, wave,
Okay, now it is debate time.
Oh, a debate. You may come, please. Co-MC, I have heard that Royal Muslim holds a debate every Wednesday and
Yes, we do. Every Monday for upper classes and everyone is there for lower classes.
how many years has that been going for? How many years?
I think this has been like 3 years to 2 years, yeah.
Whoa, children experience them.
Of course they do.
It looks like everybody in Royal Muslim can speak English now. The help of debate.
As we are preparing for the debate, I would like these teachers to stand. Mr. Moses, Teacher Evans, Teacher Pray, Mr. Pylon, and Mr. Henry. These teachers are the ones who always organize the debates and they are the head of the debate. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, dear parents and invited guests. I, Adnan Muhammad, in the 8th grade of Royal Muslim Primary School, stand here today to take you through a marvelous debate. Before I go deep into details, I would like to introduce my fellow officials. Firstly, I would like to start with the timekeeper, Honorable Shema.
Thank you.
Now, I would also like to introduce our chief judge.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Our today's debate is education more important than money? Proposers will be saying yes, while opposers will be saying no. Now, I would like to introduce the proposers. I would like to start with Honorable Ikra, followed by Honorable Ahmed, followed by Honorable Anas.
Let us clap for them, audience, please.
Now, it's time for the opposers. I would like to start with Honorable Abdurrahman. No problem. Followed by Honorable Anas, Honorable Abdul Nasir, and lastly, Honorable Taslim. Without wasting our time, now I would like to start with the first proposer, Honorable Ikra.
Thank you, Chairperson, our timekeeper, our beloved chief judge, two competing sides plus you, my dear audience. My name is Ikra Omar Ahmed from Special Senior Class. I am here to propose the motion which already stated on the whiteboard. Is education more important than money? My answer to that question is yes, because of the following views. Before I read my views, let me explain the keywords from the whiteboard. What is education? Education is the process of imparting knowledge, skills, practice, and ideas that have been learned either formally or informally. What is money? Money is the medium of exchange and measure of a value. My first view. Education provides skills for getting money, so that means you have learned, you have gone to the bank, and you get a job. That means education provides skills for getting money. View number 2. Education helps to avoid the common diseases. You have learned personal hygiene and sanitation. As we all know, personal hygiene and sanitation talks about cleanliness. That means you have learned how to avoid the common diseases such as cholera. View number 2. Education sets up conflicts in the community. So,
Lawyers and police officers. If like villagers have been invited, they go there and settle that conflict. Thank you, Chairperson.
Thank you very much, Honorable Ikhra. Now it's time for questions. Point of inquiry allowed.
Thank you to Chairperson. I would like to ask this question for proposals. Without money, how can you meet your basic needs? Thank you, the Chairperson.
Thank you very much. As Honorable Abdurrahman has said, without money, how can you meet your basic needs? And we expect the answer from proposers. Point of defense allowed.
Thank you, Chairperson. I have told you that you have educated and you go to the bank or a company, you get that job and you get the money and you do things that you need. Thank you, Chairperson.
Thank you very much. Now I would like to call the first opposer, Honorable Abdel Nasir.
Chairperson, chief judge, timekeepers, and the parents and the Sherpa and the rest of you. My name is Abdi Nasser Atifitah Noor. I am from a proposal. The motion is clearly stated on the board. Is education more important than money? And my answer to that question is no, because of my following views. Before I take you through my views, allow me to explain the key word. What is education? Education is the acquiring knowledge, skills, and values. What is money? Money is a medium of exchange of goods and services. Now let me begin my views. My first view. Education, money can make you famous like Elon Musk, because Elon Musk give money to those who need. People who are poor, he should help them, and he's a good man. My second view, money can help you when your parents are in hospital. We should pay the medical bill. Last but not least, when you have a lot of money, you can buy houses, Hajj, and you need money to go Hajj, schools, homes. You cannot pay them free. I would like to end up and say that if you have no money, you cannot enter nothing when they're like Hajj. You cannot enter it. Thank you, the chairperson.
Thank you very much, Honorable Abdel Nasir, for telling us that money helps us to meet our basic needs. Point of inquiry allowed from Honorable Ahmed.
Thank you, Chairperson. I would like to ask this question of us. How can a person create money without education? Thank you, Chairperson.
Thank you very much, Honorable Ahmed. Your question was, how can a person get money if you have no education? Point of defense allowed from Honorable Abdel Nasir.
Thank you, the chairperson. When when you like born, like the first person in earth, who give him education? No one give him education. He just told people, he just paid for them and praise a lot from Allah. Thank you, the chairperson.
Thank you very much, Honorable Abdel Nasir, for your answer. Now, I will call the second proposer from the second proposer, Honorable Anas.
Chairperson, timekeeper, chief judge, post competing science plus you, dear audience. Before you is Anas Abdiftah Noor from grade 4 class. I am here to propose the motion which is clearly stated on the whiteboard. Is education more important than money? My answer to that question is yes. My answer to that question is yes, because of my following views. My first view, education also gives us money. For example, if you become a teacher and you teach a child something, you will get money for teaching him or her something. My last point, if you get education, you can become anything you want. For example, teachers like Teacher Moses, Teacher Evan, or Teacher Bailon. You can also become president. For example, Hassan Sheikh Mahmoud, and the president of Somalia, and Joe Biden, the president of America. Thank you, Chairperson. I would like to end up by saying that education is a need as money is a want. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Abdel Nasser, for reminding us that education is a need, but money is a want. Now, point of information allowed from Honorable Taslim.
Thank you, Chairperson. Even the president or the doctor, even the president need money to give to the poor people. Even a doctor needs money to give to pay his home bills and his children's fees. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now, I will call the second opposer, Honorable Abdurrahman.
Thank you, the chairperson, the timekeeper, the chief judge, plus you, dear parents and audience. My name is Abdurrahman Muhammad Abdullah from G4 class. I am here to oppose the motion which already clear on the board that education is more important than money. My answer to that is no and no and no because of the following views. My best view. Money can help you. Money can help you, the families, to support each other and meet their basic needs. For example, food and clothes. My second view, many help is to reduce financial stress. For example, if you have enough money, you will become a happiness. That money is linked happiness. Rich family is a happy family. Thank you, the chairperson.
Thank you very much, Honorable Abdurrahman, for telling us that a family with money is a happy family. Now, I would like to call point of inquiry allowed from Honorable Iqra.
Thank you, Chairperson. I would like to inquire this question from opposers. What is money management? Thank you, Chairperson.
Point of defense allowed.
Thank you, Chairperson. Money management is the way to manage and keep our money. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now, I would like to call the last proposer, Honorable Ahmed Muhammad.
Thank you, Chairperson, timekeeper, our beloved Chief Judge, and you, my dear audience. My name is Ahmed Mohammed Mahmoud from Special Senior Class. I am here to support the motion which is already stated on the whiteboard. Is education more important than money? My answer to that is yes, because of the following views. If a person has education, if we have education, we don't want to seek any person to give us jobs, because we can create our own business which we can make it a lot of money and manage for ourselves and for our parents. My second point, if a person has education, he or she will be respected person in the society. But if a person has money and does not have any education, he will be nothing in the society. My last point, when we have education and teach that education for our kids, it may result good learners from that country. I would like to end up by saying that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use it to change the world. Thank you, Chairperson.
Thank you very much, Honorable Ahmed, for reminding us that education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. Now, I would like to point of information allowed from Honorable Abdurrahman.
Thank you, the chairperson. I would like to inform House at large that money can give you everything you want in the world, but education cannot. Thank you, the chairperson.
Thank you very much for telling us that. Point of information allowed from Honorable Ahmed.
Thank you, Chairperson. I would like to inform House at large, if a person has no any education, he cannot get any money. Thank you, Chairperson.
Thank you very much, Honorable Ahmed. Now it's time for questions from the audience. Now I would like to call the last opposer, Honorable Taslim.
Thank you, Chairperson. Our beloved Chief Judge, Timekeeper, the two competing sides, plus you, the audience. My name is Taslim Hamikal. I'm here to oppose the motion which is already clear on the whiteboard. Is education more important than money? My answer to that question is no, no, no. With my following views. My first view. Money is something very important. Beyond the basic needs, money helps us to achieve our life's goals and hobbies. The reason money is so important is that it provides options for you to live a better life that you choose and puts you in control. Human beings need money to pay for all the things that make our life possible, such as shelter, food, healthcare, bills. I would like to end up by saying, without money is like a fish without water. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Taslim, for telling us that without money, you are like a fish without water. Now, point of inquiry allowed.
Thank you, Chairperson. I would like to inquire this question about us. How can a person meet his or her needs when he is not educated? Thank you, Chairperson.
Thank you very much. Point of defense allowed from Honorable Abdi Nasir.
Thank you, the chairperson. People who is not educated, how can they get their basic need? Not everyone that is educated can get their basic need. People who has a lot of money, they can give to the president, or the people say that, they can say that, where can we get our shelters and where can we get our schools and market? We can go there, then learn. Thank you, the chairperson.
Thank you very much, Honorable Abdina. Now I would like my two MCs to select two people from the audience to ask questions to my fellow debaters.
Thank you very much, the chairperson. I request the ushers to give the mic to like 5 people, 5 questions only. Thank you. In the interest of time, it will be 2 questions only.
Thank you. My name is Armaan Ahmed Usman from Special A class. I'm going to ask both sides this question. If you have a lot of money and you have not educated, can you tell me one way that you can count that money without educated?
My name is Abubakar Abdullah Noor. I am in D5B. And I would like to ask this question to opposers. How is money important if it's the reason people are fighting?
Thank you very much, my audience, for asking us 2 questions. And I expect my dear opposers to answer both of those questions. Point of defense allowed from Honorable Taslim.
Thank you, Chairperson. I'd like to answer this question. If you are not educated, how can you count your money? Well, it's easy to count. You already have your fingers. You can just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is how you count your money. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Taslim. Point of defense allowed from Honorable Abdul Nasir.
Thank you, the chairperson. A person asked me a question. They say that how are money important when people are fighting with it? People like Elon Musk and Joe Biden and like other people, they did not die. They're still alive. Like for Majo, he has a lot of money. Why no one's killing him? Thank you, the chairperson.
Thank you very much, Honorable Abdul Nasir. Now, that was the end of our today's debate. Now I would like to call my dear officials. I would like to start with our today's timekeeper, Honorable Shema.
Thank you, dear person. My name is Shema Muhammad Abdurrahman. I am from grade 5B class. The two competing sides use their time very well. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Shema. As my timekeeper have said, the 2 competing sides have used their time well, which indeed means our today's debate was marvelous. Now, I would like to call our chief judge, Honorable Iqra.
Thank you, the chairperson. My name is Iqra Abdulqadir. I am from grade 6. And as I am the chief judge of today's debate, I would like to appreciate the 2 competing sides by the great work they have done. And I request you to clap for them. Thank you. Now I would like to give before I give out the result, I would like to give the mistakes you have done. Proposers, you did 1 mistake done by Ahmed Mohammed. You didn't use body language. I deducted 2 marks there. Opposers, you did 3 mistakes. 1 done by Abdul Nasir, no body language. 2nd done by Abdurrahman. Instead of enough, you said enough. And you were not confident enough. Thank you. I would like to give the total result. Opposers got 68 out of 100 and proposers got 73 out of 100. I declare proposers to be the winners of our today's debate.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, our chief judge. As we have heard from her, both sides did well, but at the end of the day, there can only be 1 winner, which she has declared the opposers as the winners of today's debate. And thank you, dear opposers, as the winners of proposers as the winners of today's debate. Thank you, dear parents.
8, you're highly welcome. As grade 8 are coming, I will request Teacher Jackson and Teacher Daya to stand for recognition. Teacher Jackson is the class teacher of grade 8 and he teaches Kiswahili, while Teacher Daya is the class teacher of special class C. You're highly welcome.
Good evening, dear parents, teachers, and my fellow students. We are grade 8 members. We are here to present 4 programs. The first one is a Swahili poem, the second is a Somali poem, the third also is a Somali poem, and the last one a traditional Somali song. Thank you. Let me welcome the first group.
Wanafunzi tuko na furaha kwa kufundishwa elimu bora. Wanafunzi heshimu wazazi, walimu na viongozi. Wanafunzi someni kwa bidii. Elimu huleta maisha bora.
Royal Muslim, shule ya msingi ni shule nzuri sana. Wazazi pendwa, sisi wanafunzi kutoka furaha kwa kutupeleka katika shule bora. Elimu bora hubabamba na ujingwa, elimu na ufungo na maisha. Shule ya msingi ni shule nzuri sana.
Walimu pendwa, sisi wanafunzi kutoka na wafuraha kwa kufundisha elimu bora. Shuleni kutufundisha elimu bora. Elimu bora ni hubabara na umaskini. Elimu bora ni mali kabisa.
Royal Muslim, shule ya msingi ni shule nzuri sana.
Viongozi wa shule. Viongozi wapendwa, viongozi wa shule, mwalimu mkuu, meneja Bwana Yusuf Sheikh Ahmed na meneja Bwana Abdullahi Ahmed. Sisi wanafunzi tuko na furaha kuongozi na huduma bora. Elimu hupambana na maradhi.
Royal Muslim, shule ya msingi ni shule nzuri sana. Asanteni kwa kutusikiliza. Sisi wanafanya wa grade ya 8. Royal Muslim, shule ya msingi ni shule nzuri sana.
أولاً السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. waxaan kugu soo talagalay gabi ku saabsan hooyo macaan. gabaygaana wuxuu dhacayaa sidatan: hooyadii jamaaday teexan ka beermay jirkaadaan ka soo go'ay jeer horeen dhaweyne jirib weeye fooshiye adaa marajidkeedo jarricadaadaan dareemee intaan dunida joogana anoon jaasa guud iyo dhayman iyo jawharad jacsiin kugu soo darin jaliil igama kaa dilo. rabbi baxaqligu abuure adaa hooyo xiskayga ku yeesha xarumo dhowra aad iyo aad u mahadsantiin.
السلام عليكم دمان والدين شرفت لي كسو قيب قلياش حفلة وأنا فرحية حسن محمد from G8 وعايدين كوكو صوت القلبي أمان قصابسن إسكولك يا معلمين أنا قاليو هاو قوري نعبي معلمين قيمة يهور مركي إلا أن وعدو قلنتاني رويال قلنتاني إن كستو هرمود كيو إسكولة مقدشو إذيل رويال أقون وديرا قادر كينسية رويال أقون وديرا أن أدنى رويال.
calankagu waa hibo calankagu waa hibo sharafkugu hagoogane ciidaadu waa hodan aad ku haqabeeshe waa haleeladiino horweyn ku irmaano aad ku hiiranayse callankaagu waa hibo sharafkugu hagoogane ciidaad waa hodan aad ku haqabeeshe waa haleeladiino horweyn ku irmaano aad ku hiiranayse hebad waxaad ku leedahay dhulkaaga hooyo wana lama huraane hagaley wax ugu qabo wana lama huraane hagaley wax ugu qabo hantiyay macaan waa midan hooy laga oranayn hantiyay macaan waa midan hooy laga oranayn helayo
baraf male dhulkeenu ye inaga halayne soomaaliyey hoy hodaala weeyaan deegaankiisa hodanka loo wada hamuume xanfi iyo kulayliyo baraf male dhulkeenu ye inaga halayne soomaaliyey hoy hodaala weeyaan deegaankiisa hodanka loo wada hamuume dhulkaaga hooyo erad waxaad ku leedahay dhulkaaga hooyo wana lama huraane hagarlay wax ugu qabo wana lama huraane hagarlay wax ugu qabo hantiyay macaan waa midan hooy laga oranayn hantiyay macaan waa midan hooy laga oranayn helayo
Thank you very much for the nice presentation. We are going to have next a song from grade 2. Grade 2, you are highly welcome. Because of time, we have cancelled special class A, the conversation, the puzzle from special senior class, the poem from special class B, the poem from G5B, and the play from grade 6. Because of time, we are sorry.
Hello everyone. We are in grade 2 class. Our class teacher is Teacher Brian. English speaking environment. Discipline and good conduct. Our school motto is creating our children's future.
We have a song. Listen and enjoy. Thank you.
Parents, listen to your children. We are the future generation. Keep us civil and good. Give us some education. God is good. Civil is good. They are not my plight. My plight is education. Education is my plight. Keke do keke. Keke do keke. Keke do keke. Are we together? Shake your body. Stamp your feet. Touch your neighbor. If I have a stick, I'll walk like an Ottoman. If I have a wing, I'll fly like a butterfly. If I have a boot, I'll march like a soldier man. If I have a tail, I'll walk like a crocodile. If I have a long leg, I'll walk like a kangaroo. Are we together? Shake your body. Stamp your feet. Touch your neighbor. Holiday is coming. I am going home. Mama Dala waiting. Oh, I'm happy. Holiday is coming. I am going home. Goodbye, goodbye. We shall meet again. Goodbye, goodbye. We shall meet again. Goodbye, teachers. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, everyone. I'm going for holiday. Goodbye, teachers. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, everyone. I'm going for holiday. Lest we shall meet again, meet again, meet again. Lest we shall meet again. I'm going for holiday. Lest we shall meet again, meet again, meet again. Lest we shall meet again. I'm going for holiday. Goodbye, teachers. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, everyone. I'm going for holiday. Goodbye, teachers. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, everyone. I'm going for holiday. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the presentation. aad iyo aad baad mahadsantihiin. haddana waxaa la gaaray waqtigii awarding prizes to debate winners.
I would like to invite the debate committee. Let us join hands and clap for them as they are coming.
They have been helping us through the debate all of these years.
I will request to have Banaadir Lower and Banaadir Upper as they are organizing. Please, ushers, do it quickly.
Assalamu alaikum. Okay, waxaan soo gaarnay abaalmarinta bixinayna marka qof walba waxaan rabnaa inuu aamuso waqtiga naga dhamaaday. hala aamuso ardada ha aamusaan waalidiintana sidoo kale. waxaan ku bilaabeynaa ardayda saddex position ayaan bixinaynaa abaalmarinta. positionka saddexaad, positionka labaad iyo positionka koowaad ee ardayda lowerka u tartamaysa debate-ka. sidoo kale ardada first position oo koobka qaadaysa upperka, second iyo third aan bixinaynaa. waxaan ku bilaabeynaa ardayda third position lowerka Banaadir lower. Shabelle lower. Chubba lower. Oh, sorry. waxaan wacana Banaadir lower iyo Banaadir upper. Banaadir lower, Banaadir upper. waa third position. Okay, I said dhageysanaya fadlan. ardadan waxay ku soo baxeen tartan soo socday afar bilood debate-ka amaano walba Facebook iyo page-keena ka daawatiin. ardaydan waxay ka soo galeen position-ka saddexaad ay ka soo galeen. aan u sabcino. Okay, macallimiinta waxaan ka codsanayaa in okay, waxay qaadanayaan medalka silver-ka la dhaho. waxaan codsanaynaa inay diyaar garoobaan ardayda second position-ka ee debate-ki soo socday oo ah Jubba oo upper ah iyo Shabelle oo lower ah. waxaa tartamayay 8 kooxood oo lower ka tartamaysay iyo 8 kooxood oo upper ka tartamaysay. marka si aan dhaqankeena iyo ilmaha u barno gobolada Soomaaliya waxaan qaadanay in aan u bixino magacyada gobolada Soomaaliya. 18 gobol 8 gobol oo kamid ah ayaa qaadanay. sidaas oo ay magacyada Jubba, Shabelle, Banaadir iyo waxyaabaha maqleysiin. Okay, aashaaska waxaan ka codsanaynaa inay diyaariyaan ardayda second positionka Juba iyo Shabeelle. waxaan kaloo inta medaliska la gelinayo aan ka raali gelinaynaa waalidiin badan oo joogta. waxaan diyaarinay in galaas walba uu soo yimaado halkan oo presentation la soo jeediyo, laakiin time-ka oo nagu yaraado darteed galaasyo badan ayaa suurtageli weysay inay soo jeediyaan. galaasyadaas waxaa ka mid ah special class senior oo soo jeedin lahaa puzzles, sidoo kale poem oo special class B, sidoo kale grade 5B, sidoo kale riwaayad af Soomaali oo runtii aad xiiso u lahayd oo ka hadlaysay in gabar iyo wiilba isku si wax loo baro oo ay soo jeedin lahaayeen ardayda grade 6 oo aan time weynay, iyo sidoo kale special class C oo ah galaaska ugu hooseeya iskuulka iyo grade 1. ardaydaas dhan nasiib uma yeelan waqtiga oo nagu ciriiriya darteed. Okay, waa mahadsantihiin. Third position. Haye, make your way. waa bixi kartiin. haye au sabcino as they going out. waxaan waceynaa markaana ardayda gashay second position Juba, Abba iyo Shabeelle oo loowa ka socoto. haye soo dhawaada Juba iyo Shabeelle. haye hal soo dhaqda faster ardayda soo fasaxa. Juba loowa Shabeelle, Juba Abba Shabeelle loowa. waxaan rabaa in aan ka codsado aashaaska ama dadka qabaqaabinayo inay diyaariyaan ardayda koobka ku guuleysatay. Abba waxaa ku guuleystay kooxda ku tartamaysa magaca Gado. Loowana waxaa ku guuleystay ardayda ku tartamaysa magaca Juba. soo ardaydaas diyaar garooba. Gado iyo Juba diyaar garooba. maxaa ku dhacay Juba Abba oo second position. Juba laba kooxood ay ahaayeen. kooxdii Abbarkana waxay ku guuleysay second position, kooxdii lowerka ahaydna koobkii qaatay. soo Juba aad u dadaalay. Okay, haye hal mar aan is dhageysano. waxaan u wacnaa guuleystayaasha tartankii soo socday January laga soo bilaabay ilaa hadda. waxaa u tartamaynaa Abba iyo Loowa. Abba waxaa ku guuleystay ardayda ku tartamaysay magaca Gado. Ladaas clap for them. Gado soo dhawaada. Haya. Let them lift.
Thank you. You beat down, you put. One person, the other one.
Go with it. Okay.
those as the winners. Congratulations.
Okay, haye aw sabcino wama santiin haye waa bixi kartiin haddana waxaan u ceynaa qaata koobkiina alaabiina dhan waa bixi kartiin no wait you are supposed to get the gifts. Where are the gifts saddex shay ay leeyihiin ardaydan guuleysatay waxay leeyihiin medalka goldiga kaabka iyo sidoo kale waxay leeyihiin abaalmarino inta abaalmarinta ay diyaarinayaan dhankan xaggan tag geeskan ku safta okay waxaan u ceynaa haddana juba oo ayagana ku guuleystay qaybta lowa juba soo dhawaada
Medal for Juba. Yeah.
So waxa ugu horeeya la siinayo waa bilada oo dahabka biladan dahab waaya hali waa iska ilaali okay aw sabcino ardada qaada koobkaas lower
Congratulations. Give to others and they touch.
okay hadda waxaan siineynaa hadiyadaha okay hadiyadaha aan bixinaynaa ardayda give it to me let me read the names
Boys.
ring ardayga koowaad waa Sakariya Maxamed come please give him Sakariya
Mohammed. Congratulations.
Usman Abdul Qadir Hassan.
Usman, congratulations. Adnan, congratulations for being a winner.
Yusuf Hirsi.
Yusuf, congratulations.
Muad Abdullahi.
Congratulations.
Sadaq Dawood.
Sada, congratulations.
Abdishakur Mahmoud.
Abdishakur, congratulations.
Munassar Abu Bakr Hussein.
Munassar Abu Bakr Hussein.
Muhammad Sabir.
Muhammad Sabir.
Fatima Hamza. Here you are.
Fatima Kongs.
Mushtaq Ali Dahir.
Mushtaq, congratulations.
Abdullahi Ali Yusuf.
Abdullahi, congratulations.
Sundus Abdirahman. What is this? Bring that one, which I know. Iqra Umar.
Iqra, congratulations.
Khalid Sayyid.
Sayyid, congratulations.
Muhammad Amin Abdi Nasir.
Mohammed, congratulations.
Maria Abdinur.
Maria, congratulations.
Salma Saeed.
Sarm,
Ibtisam Ilyas.
congratulations.
Ladan Muhammad Musa.
Ladan
Abdullahi Ahmed.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Zakaria Ismail. Who's this? Zakaria Ismail.
Zakaria.
Hamid Ismail.
Congratulations. Nasir.
Who's that? Kim. Okay. أيوة ما سنتين قف هدية أهلنا دوجرو.
Go with you.
عمر. haye qolyahan oo hadiyada haysta hal mar stage-ka soo fuula sida ogtihiin Royal Muslim xarunta koowaad waa Nairobi xaruntan waxaa laga furay Muqdisho sanadkii 2018 ardaydan ayaa inoo noqotay labadii arday ugu horeysay ee lagu guuleystay inaan geeyno xarunteena Nairobi kadibna ay soo sameeyaan imtixaanka KCPE-da la dhaho ama primary-ga imtixaanka waxaa lagu saxaa 500 ama 500 fatxi oo dhinacaas jirta waxay heshay 370 سعيدنا وحو هلي 358 دمان ودنك أردق نوغو سرية حرونتين نيروبي وحو هلي 417 ودنك دنا وحا اوغو سرية أردق هلي 428 هذا بارتين ريكوردك 428 اوغو سرية أنا 417 هلنا سو آدي اسكو دوايين وحان ربا إنا هالمر 70 فتحي يا سعيد انت سوين أرضيدك فتحي أيا سعيد أيا ربينو كلمة سوجي جدا فتحي.
Good evening, the invited guests, dear parents, managers, and our beloved teachers. You are welcome. Before you is Abdurrahman Said. I am extremely happy on this occasion day for our graduation ceremony for completing Kenya Certificate Primary Education Exams, which is in short form KCBE. We have graduated before 3 months actually from Royal Muslim Primary School. I joined this school 2018 up to 2021. I appreciate Royal Muslim Primary School for enabling me and my colleague to pass the KCBE exam. I thank the managers for their good idea of building up this school. I request the audience to clap for our dear managers. Again, I take this opportunity to thank my dear parents for taking us to this model school for which we learn moral and education. Thank you, our dear parents. I also take this chance to thank my teachers, my beloved teachers, for their great efforts they did in educating us. Thank you, our beloved teacher. Lastly but not least, I would like to encourage my fellow students by telling them to work hard and respect the teachers to be successful. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Dear parents, dear teachers, and fellow students. Before you is Abdurrahman Said, one of the students who has just graduated, going to give a speech about what I have experienced when I was doing the Kenyan Certificate Primary Education, in short KCPE. We were the first candidates of Royal Muslim Primary School in Mogadishu. Actually, we did the exam 2 months ago and we passed. We went to Kenya to do the exam as it is one of the rules of the school. I would actually like to thank my mother for taking me to this school. Thank you, Mom. I would also like to thank the teachers who gave me the best education. Thank you, teachers. Without them, I wouldn't have passed the exam. I would also like to thank the managers. Lastly, myself for trying hard to pass the exam. Last but not the least, I would like to encourage the next candidates of Royal Muslim Primary School by saying work harder and be well disciplined, respect your teachers, they will give you everything. There is nothing that you can get when you're sleeping. So my friends, work harder and try to get better than what you have got. Thank you very much.